Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Fivem on PlayStation 4. Fivem is a highly popular modification for Grand Theft Auto V, allowing players to experience custom multiplayer servers with unique gameplay modes like roleplay. Many console players are eager to join this vibrant community, but there are important details to understand regarding its availability on PlayStation platforms. Unfortunately, Fivem is not directly available on PlayStation 4. This is due to several key factors. Firstly, Fivem is primarily developed for Windows operating systems, leveraging PC-exclusive functions and an open platform environment. Console platforms like the PlayStation 4 have stringent regulations regarding third-party modifications and software access, which makes direct implementation of Fivem unfeasible. Fivem's design fundamentally relies on the flexibility of the PC platform. It enables developers to create and host highly customized servers, adding unique cars, maps, weapons, and entirely new game modes. This extensive level of modification and direct access to game files is simply not permitted within the closed ecosystem of console gaming, including the PlayStation 4. While you cannot directly install or play Fivem on your PlayStation 4, some communities attempt to replicate a roleplay experience within the standard Grand Theft Auto Online. However, these are not Fivem servers and lack the deep customization and dedicated modding capabilities found on the PC version. For the full Fivem experience, a Windows-based computer remains the only platform.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.